Isaac, say hi. Say hi, baby boy. Say hi. Uh-oh. There you go. Uh-oh. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi, Uncle. Say hi. You don't feel like talking today? Hey, Isaac. Isaac. Say hi. Say hi, baby boy. Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Hello. Say hi. Oh, uh-oh. Isaac. Hey. Hi, baby boy. Hi, honey. Hello. Talk to Mama. Tell her what you did today. What did you do all day? Huh? Daddy said you slept for a long time. Yeah? Took a long nap? Huh? You did? Yeah? Oh. You took a long nap? Say, yes, I did, Mama. I took a long, long nap. Yeah. Why are you so handsome? Huh? Why are you so handsome? Huh? Oh. Oh. Yeah. And then what happened? And then what happened? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. Hi. 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 Uh-oh. Okay, okay. I'm gonna go now. Oh no, you're not done talking? I think you're done. Bye.